Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're almost there. There you go. Okay. Say your name again, sir. Okay. Are you going to be driving today? Are you also going to be driving or just riding, right?
Just riding, just riding.
Okay, just driving. Okay.
Stage gate, Bob.
Yeah.
First time in my life.
Oh my God, what an honor. Thank you so much. If you ever need me to slow down, you just tell me, or touch
Okay.
my arm. Slow down, okay?
No problem.
All right.
Somebody coming, huh?
I'm sorry?
Somebody coming, no?
Yeah, someone's gonna be coming up. We're staging, we're waiting for another car here, let me adjust the mirrors.
You need green light here.
Oh no, that's all handled by track control. So you have friends or family out here?
My dad is here.
Your dad is here? Okay, great. He's watching?
And my son.
I'm sorry?
My son and the...
Great. All right, well, you're going to be in a Ferrari in a racetrack, all right?
Yeah.
It may help to hold on to that handle.
Yeah.
We do get some G-forces here.
How many maximum you're driving?
How many miles?
160. 100. How many miles you driving?
Miles per hour down a straightaway, like 130, maybe 140 or so before we have to brake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And the more the turbo kicks in, you'll see lights
Yeah.
as the turbo kicks in with the power.
My older son driving GTR, Nissan.
Oh, he is? Great.
Long,
How old is your son?
oh, 40, 50,
Something like that, huh?
40. Younger, 43, older.
Gotcha. So you're in your 60s or 70s, and your dad's in your 90s?
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm 72.
Okay. So your father's almost 90? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. How's he doing?
Oh, good.
Really? Great, great. My father-in-law is 95, and he's
95.
doing well. Gets around on his own, does his own thing.
That's age.
Yeah, that's age.
That's age 95.
Yeah, I like how you said that. That's age. So you'll see here,
Yeah, I'm looking good.
yeah, that's the engine
here,
speed, and then that's the miles per hour.
Yeah.
Not kilometers per hour, but
Yeah.
miles per hour. Yeah.
Miles.
Where are you from, if I can ask?
Huh?
Where are you from, may I ask?
We are from Croatia.
Croatia. Gotcha.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm from St. Louis.
St. Louis.
Yep. We have the second largest population of Bosnians outside of Bosnia. Second largest
Yeah, I
population.
know.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people from Bosnia in St. Louis.
Yeah.
Maybe 30, 40,000.
30 or 40,000.
Yeah.
Wow, great. All right, here we go.
Now we are here in Kansas. Long time, 25 years almost.
So the cones are kind of a cheat sheet. Red cones are for braking. Orange cone, one standing up, one and then laying down, is for when and where to turn. And it points to a green cone on the inside. And basically, we're rounding off the turns just like if we were driving on the snow or rain. Okay. Green cone on your side, a little bit of gas, a little bit of brake. Green cone on my side, hold that turn, pause, green cone on your side, then back on the gas. Brake. Look for the green cone turn. Got a series of S turns coming up here. Lots of turning here. For that orange turn cone up the hill, gonna do a little bit of brake. All right, let's see if we can go faster than that. you, sir?
Perfect.
Over there.
Perfect.
Good.
Thank you
Get a
very
couple
much.
pictures taken here.
Yeah.
All right, got to drive in a Ferrari.
But you're working here every day.
No, we travel
just
around the
weekend.
country. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Here.
Well, no, all tracks all
Oh.
over the country. It's like a circus. It's like a circus.
I need take off. Huh?
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, no,
We're gonna
no.
get a couple pictures taken, okay?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
All right. Yeah, keep your helmet on until you get outside the car, okay?
Yeah.
It's kind of a safety thing. just
Yeah,
in case.
I know.
All right, young man.
Interesting experience.
Good, good. Glad you enjoyed it. Let me unhook this cable here.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Hold on, let me give you your flash drive, your video.